In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change birthday on Facebook. This way you can change your date of birth in your Facebook account. So let's get started. First, open Facebook app on your mobile. Now tap menu at the bottom right side. Now tap gear icon, which is for settings located at the top right side. Scroll down and tap profile details. Under basic info, you will find your date of birth. Just tap edit. Now tap edit in account center. Here you can make changes to your birthday. Note that if your Instagram and Facebook accounts are linked in account center, then this birth date change will be applicable for all the connected accounts. Once you make the changes, tap done. And this will update your birthday or date of birth on Facebook account. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.